Good day everyone. Welcome to Teacher Julie channel. Hello everyone. We have our new lesson in Science 7 which is all about using food pyramids to describe energy transfer. This will be the second quarter topic and learning competency number 10. This lesson is under the MATATAG curriculum. For the objectives, by the end of the lesson, 80% of the learners will be able to. First is to define the term food pyramid. The second one is to construct a food pyramid model using various materials to demonstrate the flow of energy. And the third one is to appreciate the interconnectedness of living and non-living components in an ecosystem by answering the KWL chart. In activating the prior knowledge, for the short review, the students will be shown a series of pictures representing different organisms. And for each pictures, the students will determine whether the organism is a producer, consumer, or decomposer. In establishing purpose of the lesson, in unlocking of content vocabulary, the students will answer the match type activity. A food pyramid is a graphical representation of the energy flow within an ecosystem. It depicts the relative abundance and energy available at each trophic level. The food pyramid is a model that illustrates the transfer of energy and the distribution of organisms within an ecosystem. It provides a visual representation of the hierarchical structure of the food chain with producers at the base and higher level consumers towards the apex. The producers, these are organisms that can produce their own food and usually through photosynthesis. Examples are plants, algae, and some bacteria. The following are the types of consumers. The first one is the primary consumers, also known as herbivores. So it consumes producers, example the deer, rabbits, and caterpillars. Consumers that feed on producers or plants and other autotrophs. Another types of consumers is the secondary consumers or the carnivores. So it consumes other consumers, for example, the lions, sharks, and spiders. So these are organisms that obtain energy by consuming other organisms. Another secondary consumers is the omnivores. So these are organisms that consume both producers and consumers. So example for this are humans, bears, and raccoons. So consumers that feed on both producers such as plant and other consumers such as animals. Decomposers, these are organisms that break down dead organic matter and recycled nutrients. Example for this are fungi and bacteria. The energy flows from the producers at the base of the pyramid to the consumers at the higher trophic levels. As energy is transferred from one trophic levels to next, a significant portion of energy is lost. This is due to various processes such as respiration, heat dissipation, and the inefficient conversion of energy between trophic levels. Biomass, it refers to the total mass of living organisms within a given area or ecosystem. So in a food pyramid, the biomass of each trophic level is directly related to the energy available at that level. The producers, as the base of the food pyramid, have the largest biomass because they are able to convert a significant amount of energy from the sun or another sources into chemical energy through photosynthesis or chemosynthesis.